when people are trying to make the switch from a cartridge razor, Chic Bic, Dollar Shave Club, what have you, this is what most people lean towards. And the Henson locks in so well. You can see the two bars down here, the two slits. That gives it 4 points of contact. If it's a post, it only has 1 point of contact. So letting you know it's well built. On the enhanced version down here, the cuts go all the way through. I just like if I don't get the right angle, it doesn't cut. So I can get a BBS perfect shave. I get more perfect shaves out of this razor. Oh yeah, she's good. Now one thing with the Henson, as you can watch while I'm shaving, if I don't get the correct angle, you'll see it won't clear all the soap. That's letting you know you have the wrong angle. I love that feature about this razor. Beautiful. See right there where it didn't remove it? That's where I did not get the correct angle. Huge selling point for this razor. There's a reason why this razor is the #1 selling safety razor out there. Now, if you're new, I like to rock it in till it bites or till I can feel it cutting. That way I know I have the correct angle. I just don't go right in. I try to rock it in, watch. Got the angle. Now what I do is I use half of the razor here to do my lower lip. And watch how I do that. See how easy that was? If you try going down, it's really hard. A lot of people cut themselves. If you try going up, it's a little easier, but a lot of people cut themselves. If you just go across, you're gonna get it all and you're gonna be like, wow, that was easy. Why haven't I done that? Thank me in the comments below. Now what I concentrate on when I'm doing my neck is not flinging the razor with my wrist, okay? I'm gonna use my arm, right, to maintain that angle, because if you don't, this is where a lot of people fail, because they fling it. Same thing on their downstroke, they fling it. So the backstroke, just maintain that angle with your arm. That hand is not moving. My arm is.